There is something special about returning to the school where you grew up and spent a significant amount of time. It's a feeling of nostalgia combined with great memories. During the December holidays, I returned to Curro Century City where we introduced many students of grade 11 and 12 to Project Future, our vision and our vision to use technology to power the future. We spoke about the digital divide, access to the internet, and about how having access does not necessarily mean more significant levels of digital literacy. Outreach is and will always be Project Future's critical approach because we get the opportunity to interact with the very people we aim to empower. It reminds us to keep working on our mission to help build a more connected Africa. It reminds us to make the future accessible to all. Project Future. Your future unlocked.